Manchester United, one of the most iconic football clubs in the world, is about to make the biggest move in its 146-year history. And no, we're not talking about signing a new superstar. We're talking about demolishing the legendary Old Trafford. This isn't just renovation, it's a complete teardown of the Theatre of Dreams. A new $2.6 billion megastadium is in the works, and it might just become the most advanced football stadium the world has ever seen. But why now? What went so wrong with Old Trafford, a ground once feared and admired across the globe? Well, the problems have been piling up for years. From leaking roofs and outdated seating to poor accessibility and zero modern sustainability, Old Trafford, despite its legacy, has been falling behind in the modern stadium race. And fans? They're furious. "It's embarrassing," said one longtime supporter after seeing water drip from the roof onto his seat during a match. So the question arose, should Manchester United upgrade the existing stadium or build a brand new one from scratch? And now, the decision is official. The club is going all in on a dramatic new plan, a futuristic, jaw-dropping stadium that could change everything. The new Manchester United Stadium won't just replace Old Trafford, it will redefine football architecture forever. This isn't just a rebuild, it's a revolution in concrete, steel, and imagination. Set to hold over 90,000 fans, this next-gen stadium aims to rival, and even beat, the likes of Real Madrid's Bernabéu and Tottenham Hotspur's sleek modern arena. And yes, it's going to be bigger than Wembley. Architects are planning a 360-degree wraparound bowl design, creating an intense atmosphere from every angle. No seat will be far from the action. And that's just the start. The exterior? A futuristic mix of glass and carbon-neutral materials. LED displays will wrap the outside shell like a digital skin, glowing red when United scores. Inside, the stadium will feature heated seats, safe standing zones, 5G streaming access, and augmented reality screens. Here's the kicker. The estimated cost is $2.6 billion. That's even more than the Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas or the SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles. For a club struggling with trophies lately, United's board believes this is an investment into the future to attract the best players, host global events, and bring the Theatre of Dreams back to life. So why didn't Manchester United just renovate Old Trafford? Why go for a full-blown demolition that'll take years and billions of dollars? The answer lies deep in ownership chaos, boardroom politics, and intense fan pressure. Renovation was considered, even costed out. But experts warned that updating Old Trafford would cost nearly the same as building a new stadium, and the upgrade still wouldn't bring it to world-class standards. Plus, renovating would mean playing in a construction zone for years. All nightmare for both players and fans. Then came the Glazer family, United's controversial owners. For years, they ignored the stadium's problems while funneling profits elsewhere. Fans were boiling with rage. Remember the protests in 2021? When fans stormed the stadium and forced a match to be canceled? That wasn't just about the European Super League. That was about everything. Years of neglect. Fans chanting, "We want our club back," wasn't just drama, it was desperation. One executive said, "We had no choice. Fans were going to turn on us if we didn't act." And now, with massive pressure, the club is finally doing what fans begged for, starting from scratch. The demolition plan? Brutal but necessary. Everything, from stands to roof to dugouts, will be flattened, and in its place, a mega stadium designed for the next 100 years. But building the world's most advanced football stadium is no small feat. The timeline for Manchester United's $2.6 billion megastadium is as ambitious as the project itself, and the clock is ticking. Construction is set to begin in 2026, with an expected completion in 2029, a full 3 years of intense work ahead. And we're not just talking about digging foundations and pouring concrete. Oh no. This will be one of the largest and most complex construction projects in the history of sports, with every detail meticulously planned. From robotic construction, techniques to 3D printed sections of the stadium, technology is playing a massive role in speeding up the process. But don't think this is all smooth sailing. The stadium will be built in phases, which means part of the Old Trafford site will be cleared while other sections remain functional. That's right, some matches will be played at a half-finished stadium, causing logistical headaches for the team and fans alike. So, how will the team cope with the construction chaos? Well, for starters, United's planning to temporarily move to a new venue. The question is, will it be a temporary home fit for the Theatre of Dreams? When the stadium is unveiled, it won't just change the game for Manchester United, it could change football forever. From the moment fans step into the stadium, they'll be immersed in an experience that's more than just a match. With augmented reality features, self-service kiosks, and instant access to player stats, this isn't just a place to watch football. It's a living, breathing showcase of technology. But that's not all. This mega stadium could become a beacon for innovation in the world of sports. Imagine stadiums around the world adapting these features. Stadiums that adapt to fans' needs, that integrate seamlessly with modern technology, that take the match-day experience to levels never before seen. It's all part of a bigger picture. With United's new stadium, the club hopes to regain its dominance in world football. They're investing in more than just bricks and mortar. They're investing in their future, their legacy, and their fans. But what will this mean for the footballing world? Is this the start of a new era of super stadiums, or could it become a cautionary tale of ambition gone too far? Only time will tell. And so we come to the end of this incredible journey. Manchester United's new stadium isn't just a building, it's a statement, a bold step into the future of football. But will it succeed? Will it bring glory back to the Theatre of Dreams? Or will it fall short of expectations? There's only one way to find out. As the construction begins and the world watches, one thing is certain: football will never be the same again. But wait, if you loved this deep dive into the world's biggest and most exciting megastructures, you're going to want to check out the rest of our videos. On Giga Structures, we bring you the most fascinating stories and mind-blowing details about the world's most iconic football stadiums, airports, bridges, skyscrapers, and other megastructures. From the tallest buildings to the most innovative engineering marvels, we've got it all. So, if you want to keep exploring the amazing world of megastructures, hit that subscribe button and dive into our playlists. There's so much more to discover, and we promise you won't want to miss it. So, what do you think about this new stadium? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content. Until next time, this is Giga Structures, where the world's biggest projects come to life.